reached in there and there was an egg. And I think, not sure, but it might be shrimpo egg. So come on guys, I want to come show you, come on. Now, the egg is right here in this tree in the nest. Now, we're gonna come over here and we're gonna touch it. I'm gonna touch it real gently. Now, I don't know what it is. Oh, I touched it. I touched it. All right, now, I want to take it, but I don't know if I should. What's that? What's that? Oh, I better hide right now. I'm gonna hide in this bush. Oh, it's the Fruit Loop bird. I'm getting a good view of my binoculars. I don't even know why the Fruit Loop bird here anyway. I ain't even like the cereal. I'd kill it right now. All right. How am I gonna catch this thing? Oh wait, I know. Okay, now, the trap is set. What's gonna happen is she's gonna come down here and be like, oh, what the happened to one of my eggs? And she's gonna be sitting here sniffing it. And then after that, she's gonna pick it up like so. And she's gonna step right here. And then I'm gonna pull it like that. And then after that, I'm gonna catch me a new birdie. Yeah, and I'm gonna have a pet birdie. And I'm gonna have another egg. I can make me some shrimpo omelets. Shrimpo omelet. All right, gotta set this back up now. Make it all pretty. All right, there we go. Good egg. All right, let's go. All right, get down here, get my string. All right, now we're gonna sit here. Now we're gonna make the bird call. Now, I'm gonna do the call to get him to come over here. I don't think he heard me. All right, now I've been waiting for this call right here. This one's special. All right, I'm gonna do it. Hey, toucan bird, get down here. Mr. Toucan Zane. Get back here. I don't think you heard me. Stupid that bird. I got your egg. It's working. Oh crap, it's working. Now I gotta pull it. Yeah, got it. All right, now I got it. I'm time to take him on home. Boy. I done got supper, guys. All right, time to cook dinner. Yeah. All right, we're gonna behead them, we're gonna gut them, we're gonna roast them, and we're gonna enjoy a nice feast. All right, let me get a knife. All right, here we go. Beauty. All right. Man, I can't kill this poor innocent little creature. Just look at it. I think I'll just keep you as a pet. That's what I'll do. Yeah, my new birdie, Mr. Skittles. That's what I'm gonna call you. All right, now I'm gonna put you in Shrek's room because Mario didn't give me a nice enough room in this place. It's all fancy castle for me to be alone. So here's Shrek's room. You want to get right here, get some sleep, and I'll come get you for supper.